Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to KuCoin in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but it's still crucial to get it right to avoid any costly mistakes. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or exploring new trading opportunities, this step-by-step guide will have you set in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood account. Head over to your Bitcoin wallet and verify the amount you want to transfer. It's always a good idea to double-check your balance to ensure everything adds up. Next, switch to KuCoin. If you don't have an account yet, sign up quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, go to the Assets or Deposit section, select Bitcoin, and generate a deposit address. This is a unique string of characters, so copy it carefully and keep it secure. Now, back on Robinhood, navigate to the withdrawal page for Bitcoin. Paste the KuCoin deposit address into the required field, enter the amount you want to send, and review all the details. Remember, Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so triple check to avoid sending to the wrong place. Before you hit confirm, be aware of potential fees. Robinhood might charge a withdrawal fee, and there could be network fees based on Bitcoin's blockchain congestion. In 2025, these fees are often lower due to improved scalability, but they can still add up. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. This usually takes 10 to 60 minutes, depending on network traffic. While you wait, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. Finally, log back into KuCoin and check your Bitcoin balance. If everything went smoothly, your funds should be there. If not, don't panic. Just reach out to customer support on either platform. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to KuCoin in 2025. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and secure networks. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.